Hi, this is James at World War II Jeep and Rifle, and today I'd like to do a walkthrough of the BC-620 radio. This is a vehicle mounted or a battery operated and infantry carried radio, usually between infantry units in World War II and in some theaters beyond post-World War II. So first of all, this is covered with a BG-153 bag. It has a flap in the front in order to access the controls for the simple controls and the input and output for handset, headset, microphone, whatever options you have. It also has access in the rear for the antenna wire. This is a W-128 wire. You can also configure this with a coaxial wire connection to your antenna. I'll talk a little bit more about that in a second, but for now let's take the bag off and look at what's underneath. Okay, so BG-153 bag removed, and here's the radio with its power supply on its mounting bracket. You can also see the antenna. I'll just do a walk around here. And let me tell you about the components. First of all, this is a two-piece system, BC-620 transmitter receiver, also classified as a SCR-510. It's sitting on a power supply. In this case, this is a PE-120, which is configurable for 6 volt, 12 volt, and 24 volt systems. I'm on a 6 volt system, so I have it configured for 6 volts. Here's the cable to connect it to the vehicle's battery. In World War II, there were also power supplies, PE-97s, which were used in conjunction with the transmitter receiver. Okay, let's go look at the antenna. The antenna, as I showed earlier, is connected through a wire. This is spec'd to be a 24-inch wire, plus or minus 1 inch. If you need more wire than 24 inches, you're supposed to use a coax cable. And in the case of using a coax cable to have proper impedance matching, you need a 3-mast section antenna setup. Without the coax, you use a 2-mast section, and I have a 2-mast section showing here, and those are sections MS52 and MS53. MS51 would be the part number for the 3rd section. Those all go onto a mast base, which is this piece right here. The mast base is a MP48, and it's mounted on a MP50 bracket. The bracket is held in place with 2 reinforcing plates that are parts FT429. There's one inside the cabinet and one above the cabinet, bolted on to reinforce the mounting bracket. This also is set up with a brush guard. This is an FT422 brush guard. And then the real fun part is mounting the radio to the Jeep. This is shown mounted on a FT250 radio mount. That is this piece right here. It's a reproduction radio mount, and I will provide you with the information about where you can get these from. Very resourceful enthusiast out there. You see that on screen right now. Check him out if you're looking for an FT250 radio mount or other mounting components such as the FT419 and FT420 mounting brackets. You can see that there are 2 different leg heights because the floor of the tub has a variation. There's a longer leg and a shorter leg, and the mounting is done like you see. Alright, well, there you go. A real quick walk around on a World War II Jeep radio configuration. Pretty cool. See you guys next time. If you liked the video, give me some love. Subscribe to our channel if you'd like to see more like this. Thank you.